Welcome back to Sellforte's Marketing Mix Modeling Academy. Continuing our delicious bake-off, it's time to get to the frosting, aka the business data. Even though marketing data is at the core of MMM, linking the activities to meaningful target KPIs, such as conversions, website visits, and revenue, and enriching this data by including shipping costs, tax, and profit data, reveals us the true performance of different marketing campaigns. Ad platforms do link the reported conversions to some business data inputs, but typically this default mapping isn't optimal as it neglects important information that can have a drastic impact on profitability. Example time. Let's imagine we are running marketing for a furniture e-commerce company from Finland. Return on ad spend for the latest sofa campaign on Instagram was a solid 5, and so it would seem like a good idea to increase the investments in this channel and campaign. But even though ROAS of 5 is a decent result in general, looking at this number can be misleading as it neglects certain costs that should be considered when analyzing the profitability of your marketing campaigns. This is mostly because at the end of the day, ad platform's ROAS is typically quite simply measured. It takes the revenue and divides it with the spend. MMM, on the other hand, utilizes a wider set of business data metrics, which leads to not only more robust models, but also a more complete picture of the marketing effectiveness. Considering our e-commerce example from above, it would be good to pull at least the following business metrics. Linking this data to the marketing data we pulled with the data connector in the previous lesson enables us to calculate the return on marketing investment for different channels and campaigns, both from revenue and profit point of view. Jumping back to our example, using this extended input business dataset enables the model to capture the true impact of marketing and, more importantly, the true profitability of your marketing investments. By applying MMM into a dataset presented earlier, we found out that even though the campaign has been driving a decent amount of sales, it has been doing so in countries where shipping costs are exceptionally high. And this is why it's crucial to link the marketing activities to target KPIs and to do so in a way that reveals the big picture and not only one side of the story. In order for the marketing team to make the campaign truly profitable, it would need to either increase the purchase value, switch to promoting smaller products, or target countries with smaller shipping costs. But where and how do you get this data? This depends on your business model, but typically this data is stored in the cloud by tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, and Snowflake. This enables marketers to utilize the same data connector they use to pull the marketing data in pulling business data automatically in a specific format. Instead of linking the connector to ad platforms, you simply create a connection to whatever platform your business data lives in. And so we've now successfully collected the necessary business and marketing data for your modeling project. Running a model with the data we've collected so far would already provide sufficient results. But if you're looking to add that extra sparkle to your modeling, you should check out our next lesson, External Data Sources. See you there!